Hello Malaysia, this is Gerryko here, and this is a Wait a Minute production. Good afternoon Malaysia. It's a warm day and everybody is in near Ikano, IKEA area. So it's a normal thing to have a lot of cars all backlogging to the back there to what we call LDP or Lebuh Raya Damansara Puchong. Have I said the date? 13th of October 2013. It's a Sunday. Saturday, this place is jam-packed to the fucking tits. So let's go and take a look. This is my second visit to Ikano for the Gunpla. There should be some announcement of the contest winners for the GBWC. Gunpla Builders World Championship, if I'm not mistaken. So there are tons and tons of people here, and fucking hell, I'm not gonna see the units. I already done my duty on them. So, well, do I have to wear my mask? Let's go and take a look first and see. So, a lot of people here. So let's go and do some mask putting on. Mask is gone, so I can do the Gunpla thingy again. There are some names that I've missed out. I don't remember who, but the name was quite apparent in the video, so I don't need to shout out their names. So let's see, is there anybody here who is very good at Gunpla? I don't know whether the creators of all these dioramas are here or not. So, second day visit. And the guy is having a DSLR there. Wow, there are tons and tons of people. A lot. Yep, the results Type C. So it's the same as the one in by Raiden. So everybody's taking pictures of that. Oops. Actually, it does not look like the result Type C at all. It looks like a Hero Gundam with its colors. So everybody is quite impressed with that unit by Raiden here. So yeah, I think maybe it will win the World Cup, World Championship. Who knows? Hiya. Dad, do you like hey sir, do you like Gundams?
Son, not me.
Oh, your son. Who, you? Yeah. Do you do all this Gunpla? Yes sir. What do you have? You don't know?
Just building on here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So, quite an unsuccessful interview there. So, not many people here. I don't see any creators at all. So maybe they will be waiting for the 5 to 6 o'clock announcement. I don't know about that. So, I thought they already have the winners, but I guess hopefully they will announce something at least. So now it's 3:30, so hopefully there's something happening. The itinerary is way back there, so let's go and take a look. Any pretty girls? None. Nai. Ile. Zero. Kosong. So today is the 13th of October, Sunday, and now it's 3:30. I missed out on the greet the Gundam girls, so I don't know who is the Gundam girls here. There will be 3:30 to 4 o'clock. There's a Gundam model kit workshop by Expo Modeler, so there should be something to do somewhere. So let's take a look. I think it's at this booth here, Gunpla Workshop. So let's go and take a look and see who are the people there, and hopefully there's something to talk about. So let's see, do they look like experts? Is it yours, ma'am? Yours, sir. So can I interview you?
I interview my son better.
Oh, your son, how old is your son?
13.
13? Oh, okay. You don't know anything about Gundams?
I enjoy it, but I like
Okay.
My son the one lah.
So you got the Unicorn and the Banshee, yeah? Yep. Wow, titanium version very expensive lah.
The other one.
Any cheap sale lah?
My
yeah.
son.
Can I interview you? Yes. So how many Gundams do you have in your collection? Sorry about that. Yeah.
5 to 6.
5 to 6. What are they?
Gundam 00.
Sorry?
Gundam 00.
Double. Which one is it? Riser? Master grade?
Yeah, all master grade.
All master grades. So you prefer master grades to high grades? You don't like high grades?
Depends on the Gundam.
Depends on the Gundam. So,
Series, yeah.
so you have the 00. You definitely like the 00 series. Anything else besides the 00?
Unicorn.
Yeah, you have the Unicorn titanium version and the Unicorn. I mean the Banshee and also the Unicorn. Yeah. What's your name? Chan. So in the future, are you going to build something like dioramas here?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, okay. So you should go out to ICW. You know ICW? Infinite Creation Workshop. You don't know? The guys are at the Sunway commercial area. The shop is for expert modelers. You can learn a lot of stuff from them. One of the guys, Raymond there, is one with the crossbow. If I don't know, have you seen it?
Oh, crossbow.
The one with the crossbow one?
Yeah.
That one is his one. So he's one of the founders of ICW. So yeah, it's a very good workshop. There's a lot of expert modelers. They go there and hang around. That's a place if you want to have a career, or maybe not a career. If your interest in Gundams is very high, then you should go there. Yep. Okay, thank you. So let's see here, what else is there? So we can see somebody doing something there. Expert models. I see that one is having the what do you call it? RX78 Master Grade version 3.0 with the chromium stickers. So I think he's going to demonstrate to us on how to actually put the stickers on. And no, he's not going for that. The most important thing when it comes to these stickers, you must put a top coat on it so it won't peel off. A lot of the mistakes that's done by the people who are like, say, if you go to like say Fantasy Toys in Lauya Plaza, they have a RX78 version 3.0 displayed, but the chromium at the ankles and at the elbows are peeling off. So they didn't put the top coat at all. So that's one major mistake. So they have the Mr. Tinner there, 400mm. 40 ringgit, I bought it at Time Machine in Jaya Times Square. And they have the whole set of Gunpla. Wow, this is great, man. How much is that? This one is all the colors of the rainbow, maybe. This one is the huge version for a very big area, and this is the fine version for panel lining, and looks very expensive actually. And this one is also for panel lining. The many grays there, very important, especially when you're applying to the white armor. There's a lot of white armors, especially the RX78. They are all white, and all the hero Gundams are all white. So the gray is very important. If your panel lining is very good, if the panel lining is very small, use black. If the panel lining is very wide, you should use gray. That's my point of view. And you look at the Raiden or Raymond's of ICW's unit, the panel lining is perfect. Anybody else who's an expert here? Any pretty girls? None. Okay. So around the neck is the Gunpla pink thingy. You get free for you buy more than 100 ringgit. So let's see whether I can interview one of them or not. Hi there. Good afternoon. So all three of you are expert modelers? Considered. Okay. Can you show me something that is really awesome? Sorry? That's the RX78 version 3.0, right?
Yeah.
So are you gonna
The sticker, the
decoration? So somebody is trying to escape. Unfortunately.
First time.
First time.
Something
We came so far from Seremban.
Oh, it's the middle guy is from Seremban.
Serious? Okay?
Show for me the chromium parts for the ankle and also the elbow. That's a very special part. Ah. Sorry? Decorate?
Which thing that you
Yeah, the chromium parts. The copper stickers. The problem with these copper stickers, it can come out or not. After some time, it come out. So the solution is put top coat.
if for motorless, usually they paint.
Paint? Oh, you mean you don't use the sticker at all?
This one lasts long one.
I know.
This are normal sticker.
But you cannot get the paint with that quite a quality. Marker can get that shine? Really? I don't think so. Really? Gold? Chromium. But this one is chromium, right? No, copper. Can you get the effect? Airbrush.
Because there are so many metallic colors like this. This one is silver, this one is gold.
Okay.
So when you spray, this one is more shining.
But does it get a reflection like that one?
Yes.
Really?
You can put any top coat there. You sand. Okay, you sand then wash again.
Wash?
Wash again. Then you sand. Polish it like polish lamp. So you get the shining.
Oh, really? Wow. I never knew that. Thanks, sir. Hey, what's your name?
HE.
Are you working for Lida? No, you are just interest lah. Oh, okay. What about the others? Can you like introduce them to me? This is from Seremban.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Kongwoon.
Tom.
Kongwoon.
Kongwoon.
Yeah.
So
Woon.
Yes. Oh, okay. Don't you're trying to escape, is it?
This is Eric.
This one is Eric. Where are you from? Where are you from? KL. Oh, okay. Are you working for? No. Just this is all very volunteer. Oh, okay. Lida should give you many boxes of other Gundams or whatever. No? Or helping them. Okay. So there, this one staff lah. Huh? Eric. Okay. So expert modeler is it, or is this same? Oh, okay. So I've been ignoring Kongwin here is doing his thing. It's really good, that one. So you just stick it on. What's your? I better not disturb Cohen. I better not disturb you because you're concentrating on that, right? Oh, okay. Should I ask you a question? What do you think about the RX-78 version 3.0?
It's awesome.
Awesome. Oh, okay.
You can make a lot of pose. You compare with previous one. So the color and then I like the slim because it's slim.
Slim.
Yeah.
Oh, it's more modern lah. Modern.
Yeah, because slim can the pose can make it more better.
Yeah. The armor is so a lot of grays there. It's very awesome. So what do you think about the new Sasabi version 2.0 coming out this end of this year? The Master.
It's more awesome than this one.
Oh really? But you haven't seen the pictures, or have you? No, right?
Because they have a special effect in this armor.
Oh, you've seen it already? Where do you find the picture? Where do you find the picture? Internet. Oh, they have it already. Okay. Okay, I'll go and find it. I didn't know that. I thought they have only the steel hood of the Sasabi.
But it's not so clear.
Oh, not so clear. Oh, they have already displayed.
Something special.
They displayed in Japan already lah. Shiozuka lah.
It's a Japan. Some other countries.
Oh, some other countries. Oh, okay. Okay.
For the moment, just done for this part. It's like chrome. Then we do another leg. Cái sáu trùng đó là sáu chạy rồi. Suppose I should just so I do another part. The chase part. The chase.
Will it break or not if you move it a lot?
Some parts you like to take off.
Elbow, no, the elbow and
The elbow, maybe the skirt there.
it will break lah.
Must be careful when you want to do another posing. Yeah, must take care for the part.
Normally for me, when it comes to the ankle and the knees, the connector, the plastic thing, small thing, yeah, the like the knee and also the elbow there, the hole. If it's very tight, I try to shave it off to make it not so tight, you know.
But if you want to shave off, they will like quite loose, right?
Yeah, but if it's too tight, if I move it around, it will crack, you know, it will crack.
I think won't happen for this design.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because there's a new, new design for the not like the previous one, right? Because they use the ball joint.
Huh?
Yeah.
Polycap is more elastic. than
More elastic.
That one is called PVC. That one is called PVC, the plastic.
Plastic is
Something like this.
oh.
So it's more elastic.
No, I'm not talking about the PVC. The PVC, no problem, it won't crack. The plastic, the inner frame, how is the plastic? How is the plastic? The inner frame can actually crack or no?
Usually we do like
No, usually. Oh, okay.
But better don't like put too much like thinner something.
yeah, unless is you use the Tamiya for the lining. If not, then you will crack.
Oh, you mean the thinner can actually destroy the plastic one?
You put over too much thinner.
Oh, really?
Because we have experience before that we put the lining, usually we use the thinner quite long. Last time previously is no problem. But now I think they changed some materials, so when you put two more, then you will crack the materials.
Oh, I thought it's supposed to be not won't affect the plastic one. It's a very small content of thinner. So
Normal acrylic one, no problem.
no problem.
That one is for enamel.
Animal thinner lah. Oh, okay. What is it doing? So I see that there's a one whole set of that. Wow, that looks awesome lah. How much is that?
That one is not for sale. That one is for Japan promotion item.
Oh.
It's for the lucky big item.
Online lucky draw lah. If you were to buy in Japan, how much would it cost?
So they sell this.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, what's your favorite Gundam model? Which is favorite model lah?
RX-93.
Sorry?
RX-93.
RX-93.
New Gundam.
Oh, new Gundam. Oh, okay. Okay, that's it lah. The master grade version lah.
Whatever the one grade or there, because
Oh, non-grade ah. Okay.
whatever because my favorite is only the new Gundam.
Okay, so Eric's favorite is new Gundam, non-grade, and
Double riser.
huh?
Double riser.
Double O riser. Oh, the master grade or the perfect grade? Oh, perfect grade lah.
Yeah,
Hey, have you seen that one, the perfect grade?
Actually,
Oh my god.
I'm quite lucky because I just win the lucky draw, the Gunpla contest.
Oh my god.
So I get one.
Oh, wow, this lucky bastard. Oh my god. No, have you seen the double riser there, the diorama?
I saw
It's
that.
so awesome, the lining and everything.
Yeah, like,
Wow.
because they quite huge, master. You can see they got quite strong.
I'm from Ipoh. Yeah, I'm not from Japan. Everybody will mistaken me from Japan. Very unfortunate. I mean, okay lah, never mind lah. I bring a camera around, they think, oh, it's from Japan, forgive him lah.
You want to interview some of the models?
I don't know who the models are. That's why I don't know. Of course, I'm very interested. No. Wait. 2 seconds first. I need to like complete you guys first. I want to do you guys first. So, what is your favorite Wing Gundam? Which one is it? The two versions, right?
Zero wing.
The movie version, the wing. For me, I don't like the wing. I prefer the machine type of wing lah. That one nice lah. So you like the perfect grade, the master grade? Master grade is better than perfect grade.
Because perfect grade a bit loose for the wing.
Oh, very loose ah.
Very heavy.
Very heavy lah. Oh, okay. So, sorry, I forgot your name. My mind is not so good. Tang. Okay, you have been doing Gundams for a long time.
more than 15 years.
15 years, huh? So, what do you want from Bandai? What are your wishes? What are the units that you want? What are the qualities that you want Bandai to do or improve on?
Actually, most of the part is now is very perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Because all the material they are changing, they are adjusting all the materials. So it's quite okay.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any wishes, any units that Bandai hasn't come out with, you want them to come out with?
So far, I don't have it.
Ah, really? You don't have? Okay. Okay. Wow. That was a ghostly poltergeist moment. So, cool. Sorry.
Yes.
What are the wishes that you have for? I mean, what are the messages you want to give to Bandai?
Through Bandai,
Yeah. What are the units that you want?
more MG.
Huh? What?
Because quite long time they release any PG.
Yeah.
Next PG.
Last time it was 2012. Was it 2011 for the double riser, right? 2011 double O riser.
Yeah, 2007. So it's 5 years or 6 years.
Huh?
2003、2007嘛
No, 2-3 years ago lah.
Oh, yeah.
It's supposed to come out with one perfect girl every year, right?
Yeah, should be like that.
So be like that. Yeah.
So maybe new Gundam.
But in the other way, not so sure that there's issue so many PG lah. Costly.
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 Bullshit lah. They say costly one bullshit. It's so easy. Just dumb,搞掂. Easy. So anything else? What units do you want Bandai to come out with that hasn't come out now? New ones.
New Gundam.
New.
I mean,
The new ones.
PG or what?
PG.
New Gundam. PG, yeah.
No. I mean, I'm saying that Bandai hasn't come out with the unit that you like. What do you want them to design in the future?
He wish them to design the new Gundam in PG form.
Or you want a new Gundam as well, same as Eric?
Yes.
What the hell this new Gundam looks like? Well, describe to me, I can't remember.
I think they have some there.
They have some there. Oh, okay.
Because new Gundam is the most tallest, right? Tallest Gundam. Among those Gundam, right? The most tallest one.
Sorry, tallest one.
Yeah, the size is not the size. New Gundam is the most tallest one.
Taller than a unicorn. Wow, master grade. Big.
They got a funnel in the background.
Oh, you mean the yellow, black and white one?
Yeah.
Oh, they want the funnel.
Funnel like a wing.
Like that only one side lah. Oh, yeah. You have the same taste as Mr. Famitoy lah. You know Famitoy in Sunway Giza? You know him? He likes that one also. He loves it. So what about Eric here? Do you have any wishes for Bandai, Eric? What kind of new units that Bandai hasn't come out with that you want them to come out with?
This coming December
Perfect grade new Gundam. Okay, that's his wishes. Thank you guys. Others you show me who the... No, not yet. I don't know what they are doing now. They're having an event now, right? It's very... okay, thank you. So, yep. It's a very good discussion with the guys. Oh yeah. Do you have anything else to say to the Gundam builders and out there? Do you have any messages for them? To all the Gundam beginners and also the Gundam community?
Just try.
Just try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't be afraid.
Oh, just do it lah, huh?
Yeah.
Just do it. Okay.
Just do it.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, they have the cement there, so it reminds me I have to buy cement for ICW. So let's see here. What the hell? I forgot. So it's an excellent interview with the guys there. Whew. Yeah. So they have all the what do you call it? The prizes, the RX-78 medals or awards there. And the backdrop is the master grade version picture of the Gundam Strike, the remastered version. And yeah, as Eric says, he knows some of the Gunpla builders with the dioramas displayed there. I don't know who the hell everybody is. Only the one I know is Raiden. I don't see Raiden at all. But never mind. I'll take my time Let's go and find some pretty girls. Let's go and find some pretty girls. Tak ada lah. Cilaka. Maybe I have to go back to IKEA. Oh my god, I don't want to do that. There are too many people there. Everybody in Malaysia, when they have nothing to do, they come to IKEA. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So, okie dokie. Actually, I want to go and take a piss. It's already 25 minutes, so that the video will be ending soon. So let's go and take a piss. I'm not gonna take a pic. I mean, interesting. But never mind. So now I'm not gonna show you about how I take a piss. So I gotta wash my face also, and my hands are full of oil from the disc brake. My disc brake is leaking, so unfortunately so. So see you later in part 2 of this version 2.0 of this Gunpla Expo 2013. Others, hopefully I get to talk to some diorama-ists. And see ya and bye bye.